Welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with a brand new video. On today's video, I'll be doing a 10 minutes makeup tutorial. If you've ever wake up and you're almost late for work but you just need to do your makeup, then stay tuned because this video is for you. Without much ado, let's hit right into this video. Okay guys, for your eyebrows, you want to take a dark eyeshadow and a brush. Just take quantity like that. Then you just apply that onto your brows. Then you take your concealer and you correct the concealer that is left on your brush. You just want to apply that on your eyelid. Then you want to use your fingers to just blend that in. For the eyeshadow, you want to take the color of your choice. For me, I'll be using orange color. This one right here. And just apply that on your eyelid and blend it in. So now I'll be going in with this metallic color. Then I'll get my mascara. So going in now with my primer. going in with my foundation. Just using my hand to apply all that to my face because we don't have time. Now you want to just use your sponge and blend that into your skin. Your concealer and just to highlight your face a bit. That you want to take your setting powder, since we don't have time, we'll not let it set. Like, we'll just brush it out. Yourself some glow using some eyeshadow. Then I'm using the same brush I used to for the powder, and just help me blend that in well. Then for my lips, I'm using my lip liner to just highlight my lips. If I'm looking this way, it's because that's where I have the mirror. I'm going in with my capsule lipstick and just then I'll be applying my lip gloss on that. Then I'll go ahead and set my face. And guys, voila, that's okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I want to thank you so much for being there, and I want to say, if this video is of help to you, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. I love you guys so much. Ciao, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.